Liam Neeson isn't quite done with action movies yet, as the new trailer for The Commuter arrives. Playing like a mix between Taken and Non-Stop, The Commuter sees Neeson's everyday insurance salesman forced into a race against time to find a hidden passenger on his train home. The trailer mainly focuses on Michael's Neeson first meeting with a mysterious stranger, played by Vera Farmiga, who tasks him with finding someone on the train who does not belong for a cash reward. Advertisement. Continue reading below. As ever though, it's not a simple case of hide and seek, but a deadly plan that sees him caught up in a criminal conspiracy, one with life and death consequences for Michael and his fellow passengers. The Commuter reteams Neeson with his Non-Stop and Run All Night director John Collet-Serra, who delivered last year's highly entertaining shark thriller The Shallows. It looks like we can expect more of the same from The Commuter, with the trailer featuring all the Neeson tropes we've come to expect, although without any phone calls just yet. Studio Canal. The Commuter also stars Patrick Wilson, Breaking Bad's Jonathan Banks, and Sam Neill. What's the betting one of those recognizable names will end up being the mysterious passenger? Earlier this month, Neeson explained how he thinks he's getting too old for action movies. I'm like, guys, I'm sick of King Fiv. Audiences are eventually going to go, come on. The Commuter is released in US cinemas on January 12, 2018 and UK cinemas on January 19, 2018. Want up to the minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @DigitalSpy Twitter account, and yeah, we're all set.